boys and girls, Miss Vera coming to you this afternoon talking about our shape of the day. We've introduced you to a circle, which is round and round like a ball, no straight sides, no straight lines. We've also talked about a triangle, which has 3 sides, 2 on the side and 1 across the bottom. Remember, the word tri means 3. Our new shape of the day is a rectangle. Say it with me, rectangle. A rectangle, no matter big or small, are very similar. They have got 2 sides that are long, 2 sides that are short. They are 4 sides and 4 corners, just like a square, but this is like a stretched out square. It's very long. It's called a rectangle. I've got a song to help us learn the word and the shape rectangle. It's to the tune of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star again. It's called I'm a Rectangle. I'm a rectangle you can see. I have 4 sides, count with me. 2 are short and 2 are long. Come along and sing my song. I am a rectangle you can see. I have 4 sides, count with me. Great job, you guys. I hope you enjoy your sort today of what is and what is not a rectangle. Talk to you soon. Bye.